We have done our lesson for today. So now I'm going to explain to you about your homework. Okay, so now we start with the first homework. For the first homework, I want you to use your G1 exercise book, your grammar exercise book. Okay, so please write down the day and the date and the title and also the instruction. And then after that, you have to copy all the sentences starting from the first one until number 7. Okay. So fill in the blanks with the correct adjective. Isi tempat kosong dengan adjectives yang betul. Okay, so we look at the first sentence. Playing tennis is exciting than playing table tennis. Okay, so please take a look at the keyword. Cikgu bagi kata kunci kat situ. Then. So kalau then, so we have to use comparative adjective. Because we want to compare two sports here. Kita nak bandingkan antara dua benda. So kita kena guna comparative adjective. Okay, and then after that you have to look at the adjective. Word of adjective. Exciting. Exciting. Okay, so that is 3 syllables word. Tengok 3 kali sebut. So we cannot add ER. Exciting. Tak boleh. So kalau tak boleh, so we have to put more in front of the exciting. Okay, so playing tennis is more exciting than playing table tennis. Ayat dia, maksud dia, main tenis lagi menarik daripada bermain pingpong. Okay, so that is how to do for the first homework. So number 2 until number 7, okay, try to figure out the answer by yourself. Okay, look at the keyword there. Tengok kata kunci yang cikgu bagi yang warna merah tu. Okay, and then next we move to homework number 2. For second homework, so you have to use your VS exercise book. Okay, write down the day and the date, and then you have to copy the vocabulary that we have learned today. Okay, from the first one, champion, number 2, race, 3, javelin, number 4, high jump, number 5, good, number 6, bad, number 7, strong, and number 8, fast. So after you have done copying all the words, you can also write down the meaning in bahasa dan juga bahasa Cina. Okay, boleh tulis maksud dia kat atas tu. Okay, untuk kamu faham. Okay, and then we have done with the second homework. Now we move to homework number 3. Okay, your third homework. Okay, for your third homework, so you have to use your English +1 workbook. Okay, gunakan buku English +1. Open page number 5. Okay, before you start doing your homework, okay, don't forget to write down the day and the date. Okay, Friday, February 5th, 2021. Okay, so for this homework, okay, so you have to do activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, activity 4, activity 5, and 6. Okay, so you have to do 6 activities. Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you one by one, okay, how to do for each activity. Next page. Okay, so you look at the first activity. Complete the table with the words, okay, aren't, isn't, am not, are, and is. Okay, so we have 2 types of sentences here. Affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Affirmative maksud dia positive sentence. Okay. Negative Maksudnya tidak, bukan. Okay, so you have to put not. Okay, so how to choose the best answer? You look at the subject. Okay, so for example, number 1. I am. So short form dia jadi I'm. For the affirmative. For the negative, I am not. So I'm not. Okay, that's the example. So you can do by yourself. It's very easy. Okay, so now we look at activity number 2. Complete the sentences with am, is, or are. For this activity, you have to look at the subject. Kalau they are. Okay, but you have to make it short form. Kena tulis short. Gabungkan dia. Jangan tulis panjang. They are, tak boleh cikgu nak there. Okay, look at the first one. Okay, first sentence. So what is the correct verb? Am, is, or are? So the answer is I am. So I don't want you to write down I am. I want you to make it short form. I'm interested in animals. Okay, so please do number 2 until number 8. Okay, look at the subject. Tengok subject dia, seorang ke ramai. Okay, and then we move to activity number 3. Rewrite the sentences using the negative form. Okay, dia bagi ayat kat sini, ayat positif. Okay, the sentence here is positive. Okay, we look at the first example. I'm into cycling. Saya suka berbasikal. So your task is you have to change the positive sentence into negative sentence. Okay, so how to make the positive into negative? So you have to put not. Nak jadikan ayat positif kepada negatif, we have to put not. Okay, so now we look at the first sentence. She's interested in reading. Dia sangat minat membaca. Okay, ni ayat positif. Dia kata dia suka membaca. Sekarang kamu nak jadikan ayat ni negatif. Nak jadikan dia tidak minat membaca. So we have to put not. Okay. So macam mana ayat dia? So she is not interested in reading. Okay. Is not. She is not tu. Kita jadi shortkan dia. She isn't interested in reading. And then full stop. Okay, understand? Okay, so now your sentence is in negative form. Okay, faham Okay, number 2 until number 8, cuba buat. Okay, and then we move to activity 4. For activity 4, so you have to write sentences about the people. Okay, about the people in the table using the correct form of be. Okay, kat sini kamu kena tulis ayat lah tentang Martin, Nuran, Jessica and Holly, and also about you. Okay, so now look at the first example. Martin. Martin is want. So the verb to be is. Okay, verb to be dia is sebab Martin tu seorang. So Martin is 12. Martin berumur 12 tahun. Okay, so Prague. Dia daripada mana? Dia daripada Prague. So he is. Make it short. He's from Prague. Okay, so number 2, Nuran. Okay, Nuran seorang perempuan. So guna is or are. So we have to use is. Nuran umur 13 tahun. Dia daripada Izmir. Okay, try to do by yourself. Next, Jessica and Holly. 2 orang. So, what is the verb to be that we have to use? So, we have to use are. Okay, Jessica and Holly berumur 11 tahun. Mereka dari Liverpool. Okay. And then last one is about yourself. So you have to use I, saya. So the verb am. So I am. Kamu umur berapa? Kamu ceritalah kamu umur berapa. Okay. And where are you from? Kamu dari mana? So you have to write about yourself. Okay. So that is for number 4. Okay. So now we look at activity number 5. Okay, so complete the sentences with the words subject pronouns. Okay, so my mom is from the USA. Jawapan dah bagi ke atas tu. Okay, so my mom, mak saya. So the subject pronoun, ingat subject pronouns ialah subjek yang duduk di hadapan. Kata ganti nama yang duduk di hadapan. Contoh my mom. So kata ganti nama untuk my mom is she. Sebab dia seorang perempuan. Okay, so she's a teacher. Okay, so kalau dah siap tulis, potong jawapan. Okay, look at the first sentence. Hi, my name's Emma. Hi, nama saya Emma. Saya dari Bristol. Okay, so saya. So kata ganti nama yang pertama, subject pronouns. Saya dari. So I'm from Bristol. Okay. Number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Try to do by yourself. Okay. Choose the correct subject pronouns. Okay. And the last one. Okay. Activity 6. Complete the sentences with possessive adjective. Isi tempat kosong dengan adjektif kepunyaan. Okay. Siapa punya? Saya punya. Dia punya, awak punya, mereka punya, kami punya. Okay, so look at the first example. Okay, you book, buku awak. So, what is the word of possessive adjective? Your book lah. Okay, buku awak. It's your book. Ini buku awak. Okay, so now we look at the first example. Okay, sorry, the first sentence. Okay, we look at the word in the bracket. Okay, it's blank photo. She photo. Okay, dia punya gambar. So, apa kata kepunyaan untuk she? What is the possessive adjective for she? Dia punya perempuan. Okay, so here are the answers. Okay, jawapan cikgu dah beri kat sebelah ni. Okay, apa kata kepunyaan untuk she? Okay, so it's his photo, your photo, their photo, our photo, my photo or her photo. So the answer is it's her photo. Okay, so that is for number 1. So number 2 until number 6, choose the correct possessive adjective and fill in the blanks. Okay, so I think that's all for today's homework. Okay, so there are 3 homeworks for today. So please, okay, finish your homework. Okay, siapkan kerja rumah kamu. Jangan bertangguh. Okay, jangan tunggu lama-lama, kena buat terus. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.